Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechSpress. Today, let's get started with the actual Windows 11. If your PC feels sluggish or you just built a brand new rig, a USB clean install is the only way to go. Now, Windows 11 is larger than ever. You will need a USB drive with at least 16 GB of space. So everything on this drive will be deleted, so back it up. Now make sure your PC has TMP 2.0 and secure boot enable and the BIOS. If doesn't, usually it just won't be helping you to get started. So the first thing is to create the bootable USB. So what I'm going to be doing here is to use first of all, the bootable USB. So into a working PC, I usually go directly for the Microsoft official download installation process. Here you wanted to look for Create Windows 11 installation media. If you don't, you can always go a new tab and go for Create Windows 11 installation media. Just like this, we'll be sending you directly here into the support Microsoft element. Now it says go to the downloadable section Windows 11, which in my case will be appearing directly inside here. Under Create Windows Media, select Download Now, which in this case appears here directly as Download Now. Then the media creation tool is downloaded. Then I wanted to run the media creation tool, walk through creating an installation media. So when you have run the tool, you can choose the language in Edition Pro. Uncheck use recommended options if you're making the USB for a different computer. Now I wanted to select the USB flash drive. You can find the in the list and hit next. The Microsoft will be download the latest 2026 build and flash it onto your stick. This usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Now if you plugged in your new device, which in my case is this one, the USB, as it turns on, spam the boot menu key. This key varies by brand: F2 for Dell, Lenovo, F8 for Asus, or F11 for SMI. You want to check the screen cooldown for a boot menu prompt. So you want to of course choose the element, of course, to use USB from the tools. In my case, let's say for example that I just go for USB configurations like this. And here it is, my Bluetooth already been added. So you can select the USB drive from the list, UEFI, the name of course is USB, and hit into the enter if you see the Windows logo that you are actually into. Now to bootable here at your actual USB, you can see the option that says format, and into the format you have the capacity, the file system, in my case is the exFAT, the allowing 32 kilobytes, and the volume label already been added, and go for the option that says start. Now into the installation process, I am not going to be doing this at the moment because we already have the Windows 11, but still here is the actual image of how it should be done. It must tell you that this PC meets the Windows 11's requirements in order to check out the actual compatibility. Now in here, usually if this one appears at the check now button, if this one does not make the grade, the application will explain why it doesn't currently meet the system, and it will be specifically issued listed out for you. Now the media creation, once you have now do this process of the download as we used it before, we choose the element that says USB flight drive. When you hit for next, usually it will be appearing here the USB flash drive. In our case will be the one that we have just connected directly inside that. Then it will be appearing now directly inside that. The tools downloaded to the USB drive then creates the installation media. When the process is done, you can hit for the option that says finished. Now at the screen, now usually it will be appearing burn the ISO file for the DVD. In our case, of course, we don't want to do that because we don't want to be using the ISO file at the moment, so it will be now let's say not focusing in there for a few elements. Now to update into Windows 11, first let's say you wanted to upgrade the new OS from the Windows 10. So you wanted to sign in with the PC, insert the USB drive, browse the files, and double click into set up the X files. Here it should appear the option says ready to install. Now install the Windows Pro, Hit the personal file data, hit for the option that says install. Just like that, the Microsoft informs what files our settings will be kept and recaps what is about to be installed. When you click for next, you accept the license terms and hit into the install. The Windows 11 runs the upgrade and the reboots, so you sign in and the Windows 11 should be up and running. Now here is the installation of the Windows 11 from scratch. Like which type of installation would you want to use. Here's the drive partition which you want to be focusing on, and there you're actually good to go. Here there's even an actual element of how you can actually make the installation from the actual scratch, but we're going to be focusing a lot directly inside that. So there you have it, guys, how we can actually install Windows 11 with an actual USB connected directly into here. Make sure once again that you have here the USB already been booted, so you're actually good to go. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.